Heyo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Reckless JK. Thinking about changing the name to Reckless TV or Reckless Off-Road. Vote in the comments, please. Alright, so this is going to be a very quick video that's straight and to the point. I've recently updated my Jeep with a couple of mods, and I'm very happy. It's going overland for sure. Windrock, December 6th to the 8th. I will be there this weekend, so if you're there, hit me up. There will be videos next week, hopefully maybe next weekend, about that. Yeah, let's get to it. You don't want to see me, you want to see my Jeep. There we go. Rubicon. I got stickers that say Reckless for that. Alright, you know what this is. This is a Smitty built Overlander tent. Didn't get the XL. Saving money. I will make another video later in regards to pricing, because I recently bought the tent, the SRC roof rack, and the awning, which is on the other side. And these cheap Amazon Max Tracks, don't get those. They don't work. I'll show you why here in a second. We'll get it inside the tent in a second too. Look at all this mud. That's that North Carolina freaking rain. This weather's been pretty shitty lately, which the lighting in this video is probably not that good. Here it is. Kind of a cool setup. Wish I got the bigger one, the 8.5 feet. Let's see. Make sure it's still recording. I don't like is right there. Smitty Built is a good company. Their products look cool. They're useful. But just the quality, I'm not happy with. Well, the quality of the tent and the awning is good, but the quality control is what I was looking for, is not that good. I had to drill some parts on the tent. I'll put that in my video of the review of the tent at a later date, because I'm not going to review it because I don't know all its problems and all its pros and cons. It's probably what I'll do, pros and cons video. But yeah, had to drill into the floor of the tent to make the stakes that hold the rain fly up actually fit in there. The roof rack, pain in the rear to put on. Get the Gobi if you have that extra $900 more. That's expensive, but it's cheap. That's what we do. Alright, let's see this tent, boys and girls. Alright, the ladder, super easy to climb up. I have it kind of straight up and down right now. The tent inside, it's pretty cool. It's comfortable. Got these straps right here to keep it sucked in, and makes it a lot easier to close. I didn't know that the first couple times. Only used it like 3 times. The LED light, that's cool. Like I said, I'll make a better video here soon. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Anything else you want to see from me, just let me know. Just remember to like and subscribe. Comment on what you want this channel to be called. Yeah. Oh, one last thing. There's always one more thing. Light bright. You guys always do this. Let's see. Jeep badge. Yeah. Dickie Bell, you are a national forest. I will be there a couple more times before the year ends. I got an addiction. Let's be honest. Yeah. Remember to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Peace.